Hi, my name is George. I'm here today to share with you all of the amazing things that our Stampin Cut and Emboss machine can do. Product coordination is one of our key priorities as we launch products, and this machine is the ideal companion for our stamps, inks, and papers. Let's talk about some key highlights of this machine. First of all, the machine has a 6-inch wide platform that's 15.2 centimeters to maximize all of your crafting needs and is compatible with all Stampin Up dies and embossing folders. Our Stampin Cut and Emboss machine is constructed with a solid steel frame, offering precise pressure for amazing quality, strength, and durability. With precise pressure, you can expect crisp, clean cutting and beautifully detailed embossing. There is a simple learning curve with easy visuals and training. All the plates and platforms needed to get started are included. Our full contact platforms allow for sturdy cutting and embossing, and fold up to reduce the required storage space. Both the handle to carry the machine and the rotating handle are ergonomic. This allows for a comfortable experience. Our machine provides lots of value for a single tool. Use our machine with our dies that coordinate with stamped artwork and detailed dies with intricate designs. It also embosses beautifully with both standard and 3D embossing folders. It's easily portable to allow for home use or taking it to a class or group activity. And next, I'd love to walk you through the functionality of the Stampin Cut and Emboss machine so you can see how easy it is to use. First of all, the platforms raise and lower for storage. The handle to your Stampin Cut and Emboss machine will come unattached during shipment, but it's simple to attach with the tools included. The machine has 4 rubber feet to help grip the machine to your desk or table. Now, if they lose their grip, simply wipe them down with a damp cloth. It's also important to make sure you are using the machine on a flat, level surface. For the best experience possible, we recommend placing one hand on the top handle while rotating the handle with the other hand. If you need more leverage and stability, stand up. Next, let's talk about sandwiches. A sandwich is the combination of plates you need for cutting or embossing. The plates used in the sandwich will vary depending on what you want to do. Diagrams for all the different sandwiches are on the base plate and die plate and are included with the machine. Setting up your sandwich for each type of die or folder is simple. We've added numbers to all the plates that you need to use for each different operation you perform. Ensure your plates are staggered for ease in feeding your sandwich through your machine. Let's build a sandwich for using dies. Ensure your plates are staggered and your dies are blade down. Our brush tip on our Take Your Pick tool easily cleans out small cut paper pieces. Now let's take a look at how to prep your plates to use a standard embossing folder. Next, let's build the sandwich for a 3D embossing folder, which is a little bit different. Since you will need a different sandwich for a standard versus a 3D embossing folder, I'll share a hint to be able to tell the difference. The standard folders are not as thick as the 3D folders. The 3D folders also have a more pronounced sloped hinge. When using embossing folders, ensure you feed the hinge through the machine first to make sure that the 2 sides of the design are properly aligned. If your sandwich has difficulty going through the machine, make sure it has the right plates in the right order and is staggered for the machine entry. Forcing something through the machine in an incorrect sandwich could cause damage, so double check everything. if something feels off. Here are some final tips and tricks to ensure the best results with your machine. When using dies, make sure to run your dies through the machine blade down. Dies are designed to cut through one sheet of paper at a time. Staggering your plates allows for easier, more gradual entry into your machine rollers. When possible, place dies lengthwise at an angle so that the full die surface does not enter the rollers at one time. Don't overfill the space on your cutting plates, as this could result in needing to pass your sandwich through the machine multiple times for complete cuts. It can also cause additional bruising on your images if the plate is too full. In rare cases, due to variances in product specifications or a product being well loved and heavily used, you may need to run your sandwich through your machine more than once, or add a shim to your sandwich to get the results you want. A shim is a thin piece of material that is added to the sandwich to increase its thickness. It can be a single sheet of cardstock. This increases the pressure on the die or embossing folder, which results in cleaner cuts and better impressions. If you are not getting a deep enough impression on your cardstock, we have a couple of tricks for you. You can either spritz the cardstock lightly with water or simply bend or curl the cardstock to help break the fibers for more flexibility before running it through the machine. To extend the life of your cutting plates, regularly flip the plates so that each side gets equal use over time. It's also helpful to utilize the entire surface for cutting. This machine is really amazing and takes stamping projects to the next level. We love that it allows you to easily cut out stamped images and cuts beautifully intricate detailed designs with dies and easily adds textures with embossing folders. Our Stampin' Cut Emboss Machine opens the door for additional tools that enhance any paper crafting experience. We are proud of this tool and its quality and are excited for everyone to experience it for themselves. Our social media channels all feature products using our machine that will inspire your creativity. We'd also love to see your crafting creations, so please share your designs on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And use the hashtags #ShareYourMoment and #ShareStampinUp. For additional information, please contact your demonstrator or visit stampinup.com/cutandemboss.